Happy Easter, everybody. I'm Jamie Deen here at Mama's house, and this is a recipe that is going to be interesting. I have never made this before, and this is an interesting way to do asparagus. This is a great side dish for your family here during Easter or springtime. Teresa's here filming for me. I have my friend Jelly Rolls here. Nita Jones is here, and Mom's here, but she's leaving.
We have just running for a minute.
So my friend Jelly Roll, y'all, who I've known and loved for 30 some odd years at least, this morning we made hoe cakes. Oh, the hoe cake cornbread is delicious. And we did a casserole that she's still eating. And she wasn't sure if she was gonna like it, and she's still eating it. So y'all search up the creamy spinach and meat and sausage casserole that we made. But on to today. I've got our asparagus, about a pound of it. And this is where it's a little weird. Okay, shallots, garlic, lemon, wheels. Of course, we're gonna add a little bit of oil on here, some virgin olive oil, and y'all look at this. Cane syrup, Nita.
I'm about out of cane, aren't I?
You are 1.5 tablespoons of cane syrup. We're using cane syrup to season this asparagus, so we're gonna toss all this together. I mean, who, of course, has never had asparagus with cane syrup and shallots and lemons before? And we got our garlic in here. And once we get all of this coated up really well, we're gonna arrange it on our baking pan here. Boy, that is gonna be something. I can't wait to try it. My wife loves when I bake asparagus like this. We just normally coat it with a little bit of oil and put Parmesan cheese on it and roast it off in the oven. And I'm getting kind of tired of that, so we might start going down the cane syrup road. And
yeah.
I'm gonna put some of
Don't
these
knock it
shallots.
till you tried it, y'all. Ain't that right, Nita?
Yes.
Nita turns her nose up at everything. If it isn't her fried chicken, her collard greens, her hoe cake.
I'm gonna put some shallots in here so I can put some heat on some of these too. Roasted shallots are delish. So this is the seasoning part. My hands are trashed. This is going into the oven for about 10 minutes. Turn your hat around, come back, and we're gonna finish this off. Hey y'all, we're just about to finish our asparagus recipe here, and Nita told me that when she leaves, she's carrying that pasta home. I'm telling y'all, you got to find that creamy collard sausage meatball casserole. You got to. That's them lips say I'm bringing that home. You can bet that it is good. On to this. So our asparagus is in the oven, has 5 more minutes. So we're gonna mix together. This is. I told y'all this is an interesting recipe here today.
No, what's there?
I'm using cream cheese. The recipe calls for goat cheese. I would throw it further if we had a wider camera so you can see how far I will throw goat cheese. I don't care for goat cheese. Thank you. Y'all can have it all. I guess I get it from my mom. But you can substitute cream cheese. And so I've got cream cheese, sour cream. Gonna use a tablespoon of olive oil in here. And it calls for a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna cream this up. Now you think, okay, he's roasting asparagus, seasoned it with cane syrup. Now we got cream cheese and sour cream. What in the world? Well, just wait until you see. I'm gonna whip this up really good. Teresa, this was it for this, right? Cream cheese, sour cream, and a little bit of salt.
And oil.
And my little bit of oil. I've got this smoothing out. We're gonna spread this, yes, spread this on our platter. This is a plate from River Bend outside of Albany, Georgia. Y'all have heard Mama talk about River Bend. Her parents operated a gas station and they served food. And this was one of the platters that they served steak on. So this platter right here is one of 3 remaining that Mom has. They would serve steak on this. And it's probably more than 50 years old. Because my mom lived at the gas station when she was a child and worked at the restaurant there. I'm gonna clean my plate up a little bit. I don't have anything close and I gotta check my asparagus. sour cream, cream cheese, a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil. We've spread it here. This is where we're gonna land our roasted asparagus in 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Y'all come back. It's gonna be good, or interesting at least. All right, y'all, 10 minutes in the oven. We've got our asparagus, and we're gonna lay this right over the top. Now, Eddie was just telling me that his sister up north would do something like this, but she would just do the base. It would be the cream cheese, the goat cheese, a little bit of oil. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil over this. Turn my timer off. Just a little bit of oil on here, not very much. And rather than put asparagus on it, she would serve it with crackers. Now on top, we're gonna put crushed pistachios. I tell you what, this is pretty, man. That is a nice dish to fix for Easter. I hate to mess it up, but I'm going to. Let me grab a plate real quick. Get a little bit of our, see, this is turning into a cream down here with this hot asparagus on it. I'm gonna save some of this for Mom and for Nita. Let's give it a test. Cane syrup, y'all, and pistachio nuts. I have never in my life. Let's see.
I would like it better with goat cheese.
I would not like it better with goat cheese.
You would like it with goat cheese.
This is very good.
Okay.
Oh, it's sweet, the cane syrup. I can see where that comes in. It's really nice on the cream, the shallots and the pistachios. Give it some texture and crunch. It's a good Easter dish, y'all. Easter. It's good. Cook it for your family. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Jamie Deen. I'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.